You look at the overall the Fitch rating report that we can throw it into the dustbin because this so-called downgrading of the Sri Lanka commercial banks to ratings to the CCC local currency issuer default rating and CCC negative score on the bank's operating environment for commercial banks based on the CCC local currency issuer default rating of the Sri Lanka government. They said there's a correlation between the Sri Lanka government sovereign debts and the commercial banks lending portfolio because Mr. Ranil Wickremesinghe's dishonest unpatriotic talk in the parliament that where he said that the Sri Lanka government during urgent times depends on the commercial banks for overseas foreign exchange accessibility to settle the loans. This is soon after that only the Fitch rating did this downgrading for the Sri Lankan commercial banks lending portfolio to CCC negative score on banks operating environment, and also they talk about this the Fitch tier 1 going down by 18 to 219 basic points since 2020. All that came up after this Ranil Wickremesinghe speech, so that's rejected because the thing is as we look at the sovereign legal tender in Sri Lanka is rupee. So as long as the Sri Lanka's as the Fitch report says itself, Sri Lankan banks are Sri Lankan centric and Sri Lankan domestic economy centric without overseas lending, neither overseas so much borrowing, since lending is cut off by central bank to avoid a spillover impact of a Asian financial crisis similar or 2006 US subprime mortgage bond effect on our economy is avoided because of this overseas lending, overseas borrowing restrictions on Sri Lankan commercial bank. Therefore, the domestic economy cannot be affected because Sri Lanka's legal tender is issued by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka. But here I think the main the issue here is that when we look back at the world economy, first it was the barter system where the people exchange goods. For example, if somebody has a cow and if he or she wants to buy some clothes, the cow is given and a clothes are obtained. So there is a problem here because you have to obtain the value, how to estimate the cow's value and how to estimate the cloth value cannot be done when you exchange the goods like cow for clothes. That is why later people use valuable things, metals, like even Sri Lanka we have Kahawanu, and in UK the gold and also the silver pieces like that. So here the thing is the people used to first how the banking system evolved was in Great Britain and Italy. The people used to keep